Aloo Arbi is a delicious Asian dry curry dish made by stir-frying arbi along with a unique combination of spices. Aloo Arbi dish is a very easy recipe to make. So, let's cook it today. Ingredients: ½ kg arbi, 3 to 4 potatoes, 1 medium onion, ginger garlic paste, chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon salt, curry powder, vegetable masala, madras and turmeric, coriander for garnish. Method: start heating the oil in a cooking pot and put the onions until becoming light brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add tomato puree. Then add all mentioned masalas to the ingredients list: 1 teaspoon salt, curry powder, vegetable masala, madras and turmeric. Now it's time to add potatoes and arbi and mix them properly. After that, simply add 1½ cups of water and let it be cooked for 30 to 40 minutes. In the end, add some coriander for garnish. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. So give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.